Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz Cargo Commerce Plus. This vehicle comes with a 77 kWh battery pushing out 204 PS. The vehicle comes finished in a metallic paint colour Starlight Blue. Across the front of the vehicle, it features LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights, as well as a set of front parking sensors set into that front bumper. Down below, the vehicle sits on the 19-inch black Tilburg alloy wheels, which come in a black and silver colour. Towards the rear of the vehicle, there is a tailgate with a heated rear window. Across the tailgate, we can find some ID Buzz badging, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the storage space or load area of this Cargo Buzz, there is a plenty amount of storage space as well as a few lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. This Buzz comes with twin sliding doors, making access into the rear easy from either side of the vehicle, and up front in the driver's cab there is a singular seat for the driver, of course, along with a twin-seater passenger bench. In the centre of the dash we'll find a 10-inch Discover Pro navigation system with a 10-inch touchscreen. This system also allows users to access all their favourite radio stations as well as connect to the vehicle using App Connect, which allows the user to connect their smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. The screen also controls some of the climate settings as well as accessing the parking menus. Just beneath is a nice storage compartment with an ID Buzz emblazoned logo, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with touch controls.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.